Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. And this video I'm going to talk about how to turn on speedometer on Google Maps on your iPhone. So it's quite simple and we have two steps, and the first one we need to update the Google Maps. So to do this, just go over here in the Google App Store over here. And right now we just need to go over here and we have to search for Google Maps. Over here you have to search for the Google Maps. So just tap on this one. And what we need to do is we just need to tap over here on the Google Maps, and there is an option called update. So we have to update it. This is quite important because if the update is not done, not be having these kind of features. So just make sure yourself that update is done. So once the update is done, what you need to do is just follow this. Either you can open it from here itself. So I'm going to show you that you can open it from here itself. So let's wait till this get completely done. So once the update is done, what you need to do is just go over here and tap on this one. Will be landing on this kind of page, and we have to tap, okay, there is a profile icon at the top. You just need to tap on this profile icon. Now we just need to go over here and tap on the settings. Now from here we have to tap over here in the navigation, and now from here we have to scroll down, keep scrolling down, and you can see there is an option called show speedometer. So we have to turn this on. So once the speedometer is started, you're fine with it. And next afterwards, you'll be able to see the speedometer on your Google Maps without any issue. And this is how you can do this. I hope this finds useful. And if you find this useful, do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.